Hi, this is Jack at Jack's Transmissions. Thanks for watching our videos today. Today we're going to talk about the 2/4 fork for the DCT470, Mitsubishi Evo 10 MR, and the Mitsubishi Rally R dual clutch transmission. Now, as many of you know, a common problem with the 2/4 fork is the epoxy begins to crack and come undone here as the unit ages, and the magnets will become loose. You'll start to get shift fork errors. If you ignore it and just keep resetting the code, eventually it'll probably just fall off, end up getting caught in something in the trans, and you're totally dead. So what we've done is we've made a billet arm with our own magnets, and this is our very first revision of this design, by the way. We've been making this for years. We've never had to modify this. We put a lot of thoughtful engineering in this from the get-go. So where others seem to never get these right and now have blatantly copied us, I guess I should be flattered by that. Not really. We've decided to start selling these to the public. So what we did in the past is we'd have you ship us your fork and we'd exchange it for one that's already done. What we're going to do now is we're going to sell you the arm as a kit. The kit includes the arm, the drill bit, which also has a tap, and the two bolts. So what you do is you grind off the factory rivet here, pull this arm off, and you use our supplied drill and tap. Go into the hole, drill through, tap your threads. Do the same on the second hole, drill through, tap your threads, put your arm on, and torque the bolts down. Since we've been making these for many years and it's a proven product, we've refined our process at the machine where it is incredibly consistent. We have confidence that if you follow our instructions to the letter and do this yourself, it'll work perfect every time. If you want to compare ours to our competitors out there, you can see why they're having issues. If you get this film, which is a magnetic paper film, you can get them off Amazon or whatever, but if you take the OEM fork and put it up against the film, you can see the magnetic field of the pad. So if you look at it here, you can see they're square in shape, you see the distance between them and the strength of the field as well. You take ours, put it up against the same area. You can mark the paper too, so you can make sure it's exactly the same. If you put ours on here, you'll see the strength is the same, shape is the same, distance between the magnets is the same. It is an absolutely perfect match to OEM. If you take any of our competitors and do the same test, you will see that the distance between the magnets is always off. Sometimes the arm placement is off, and the strength of the magnets and the shape of the field is completely different. So it's no wonder that people struggle with other aftermarket forks, including clones of our own. Get the original. We've put a lot of engineering in these. It was very difficult to get these exactly right from the get-go, but we got it the first time. They've been working great for us for years. They can work for you too. Only at Jack's Transmissions will you find a thoughtfully designed product like this. Thanks for watching. Couple of SST 2/4 shift forks it's working on. Doing the finishing touches. Cranking them out.